Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is my two discussion. How countries shall respond to the strong dollar. The dollar is at the high level since 2000, having averaged 22% against the yen, 13% against the euro, and 6% against IMF market. The countries since the start of year. Says a sharp strength the dollar in man of the month has said macroeconomic expansion of lands all countries given the dominance of the dollar in international trade and finance. While the US share is what merchandise exports has declined from 30 price to 9 price since 2000. The dollar has its worth experts has held around 40% for May. Countries factor to bring down inflation. The Weiger the estimate pass strong of a 10% dollar operation into inflation is 1%. Short process are exponential occur in emerging market. Reparation, the try high import, the Spanish and green the of dollar. Infusion importer compared with accent economies the dollar. Aspiration also is relevant between balance the around the world. Approved metal of across border laws in international debate securities are denominated is US dollar, where emerging market government haven't made progress. It issue debate is when currency the private corporate sector haven't hikes level of dollar dominance debates as what interest relate cross financial can have the clan considered for May countries strong dollar only competed the present. Explicitly for some earnings market and money law incomes continue series at already at high risk the bad stretch is three constant cash short the countries expenditure support the quarter several constraints are resulting to foreign exchange intervention. Total the revision held by emerging market and development economies for by more the 6% this 5.7 year. The apparatus police responded to the pressure request focus on the drive of the exchanger rate challenge and on signal of market dispersion of specialty forget exit interval shall not subtle of the water adjustment to macroeconomic policy the is role for interpretation on the temporal basic one course monitors subtlety reset financials by risk and or signality despite the central bank about the maintain the price stability. Of new economy fundamental a major factor is apparatus the dollar. Respect raise US interest rate and the probability the trim of trade measure of price of country expiration relate to impress the US can set the engine crisis fighting historic interest if inflation the Federal Reserve has embarked on a rapid trigger path for Polish interest rates. The European Central Bank is also balancing both best inflation has signaled a slower path for the Polish reset or of contract the engine crisis will cause an economic downturn. Meanwhile, low inflation in Japan and China has allowed central bank to back to global trade. The massive trim of trend shock trigger the by Russia invasion Ukraine is the second major defense behind the dollar strike. The euro are high relied on the imports the infrastructural natural gas from Russia. The shock in gas price has brought in the trim of trade. The lower is the history the share century. As from emerging market is developing economies by China, many were head into global money trying cycle premise import or content about price dollar higher rate will commodity exporting SEMDAS expand the positive trends of track shock security crying fight process for Avenger emerging market economy has been less as ever therefore as Asian economies and some such as Brazil and Mexico have even presity. Given the cyclical role of fundamental drivers, the profitable expansion is to allow the extension rate to adjust with using monetary policy to keep inflation close to its target. The higher process inflation good helping bring about the necessary adjustment. The fundamental shock is minority import whiskily they help with reducing the bid up of external debate. Financial policy should be used to support most volunteer with jumping inflation goals. Addition steps are also needed to address several the downside risks on the horizon. Volatility will include see a great tremony in financial market, including seen loss of apparatus from emerging market asset. The problems lend capital outlaws as interest rate to save assistance action relates in the flag enrollment is pondered to enhance resilience at autumn. Emerging market central bank have a stupid dollar reserve in rest year. Less loss land for Angelina crisis the both for I limit and shall be used ability. Contrial most price vital target residual to deal with probability of wealth and turning the fighter clause are ability short rising swap line the event economy central bank. Control bids to economy policy and net and of addressing for real value should validity of value the semblance the EMS validational line to meet future liquid net to will longer vertical debit short the radical fall actually Mr. by using capital flow management or macro volatility policy in institution to debit management option to smooth replacement profile. In addition, fundamental with financial market trading some central are saying in market disparity shows as rising country handling premia and local country financial frame shape distribution in slow country market will track longer cash in the premium penalty causing macroeconomic and financial stability. It should causes temporary flagging excision interior may be approved. This can also helping eventual financial authority if a longer disposition is caused financial stability risk. This as completely diffused to maximize financial temporal information also support monetary policy the rare calm the market where a longer express rate the Persian called the anchor inflation expectation and monetary policy law cannot to result price stability. For United States, despite the global fall from a strong dollar and track global financial condition, monetary trying remain the approach the policy will U.S. inflation remain so about target no doing what estimate central bank. Contributed to show inflation scores and set even more track a letter and grades please for to the reset the what the site therefore should keep in mind that longer split lower are like to spill back in the economies. Indication our global prefer or the what shape essence the US call resultive country swap line to angle countries. As it extended the star of pyramids to provider and importer safety valve in the team or currency market street the world usability complement dollar founding private by the Fed standing forget international monetary entries report validity. The IMF will continue to work close with our member to craft a prop pandemic policy in the tumblest team railing or you are relying on our internet policy framework. Bailan particularly finishing financial about for England countries the IMF starts ready to accept or lending reloss to member countries as spring balance payment problem the pound side to the weak allow again the US dollar. At the market, Trump is attitude to the Bank England BUA anti-spread interest decrease. The side, the which shall kept in mind the length previous like the space back into the US economies in the integration as a global provider of the what the shape essence. The US cloud relationship country swap line to global countries is it extend at start of the pandemic the proview at interest safety while in the theme of the currency market streets the what usagely complemental dollar founding products by the fund standing for gain and internal monetary on strong report financiality. The IMF will continue to work close with our member the craft of fallout macroeconomic for instance in the use stumble time dealing or on or longer policy framework beyond vulnerability financing correcting about 4 angle bill. Contrast the EMF star ready extend or lending resource the member constraints expanding balance on payment probability the pound side to weak weak low again $2 at the market try return to Bank England BOE highly extended interest rate decision market the central bank interest rate to 3% the higher line to hold 900 lines 1989 Howell Congress of the smile rate hike standing to contrast interest at the trade of progress recession in weak winging on the view chronologic the central bank records the fees restores at 0.5% and grass clone the B on the tap. But with inflation remaining sky high, 5 team the BOA strike lower of 2%. The central bank will be dominated to track monetary policy. The BOA will be fed with a very declared escalation to high rate at a team will inflation person continue to QSG the UK. Resource to the Mac will be hacked on the again for the BOA. After this trust, main budget so trying complex with the fiscal statement for the contract. Jeremy Hunt buying Delian Unity November 17. The BOA will remind the world that within commerce to financial policy going forward, switching senior economist at Cardano say if September financial UK while central around hall loss give police what because November unclarity in central around hall try in the set to become at if September dilemma for the bank war the try make not be doing England trying November dilemmas is strike at doing too much extreme the floor the MPC is still stumbling around in the dark. US dollar release on Wiki's feed meanwhile to US dollar continue its domain after responding in lost the following immediately after the Fed interest rate decision with expectation of around 75 bps rate hike. The downsing come will the Fed saying trying to slow the price of police strike just it back start to sit with Charlie Jerome Power sped in and reset investment with high comment Paul side. Look around financial of US dollar release cloud the C US dollar flutes ESM service PMI rate the beginner focus expense lowics in the sector cloud in back have in like relates expand to data any average called the best dash US dollar. On dollar constant by 1 0.03 euro, about 20 dollar percent more than it died year ago, and compared this time last year. The dollar is 19% strong against the British pounds. Customers feel Europe it's the best while it has been in over 20 years. We have seen spike in travel to the UK and Europe over the last 2 months. Sal James Farrar, president of Intertravel, at online travel agency with New York of over 20 2000 expedient travel expand across the UK, US, Mexico, and Caribbean. We can distinguish from the upward trend of the entire year because destinations like London, Israel, Italy, and France are getting far more the try usual share in the Mediterranean. You can really see the difference. Booking what would normally be the sole season of the clean interest in September or October, thanks over that for B counter rate luxury transfer are thriving during what is normal and off back time. Our top 10 is Penimiti Rundle by Euro, stronger the summer significantly cheaper. By Stymit Bliss, Vice President of Global Publicity Relation of Virtuoson Strauss 2000 Transfer at friend make up the word longer Loxy Trunk network about this still like the moving it into field and the holidays watching is accurate because you usual don't get the mass Europa for winter season. Where these to find travel savings? Keep in mind inflation is high in the US blow also in Europa, so the strong dollar may not necessarily realize in the hotel relate, but its centrality do use in dining out and shopping. Bill, who is locked forever to trip over the next year, will be the first team I am being excluded to shop in London this year. The pricing for many travel engagements, pilot hotel room, currency coming its dollar based or negotiation and to say by operator a year or more advanced point out Farrar the saving is the currency spending likes ground the transportation and sanction out the say. The big win in shopping and dining where compression rate can manage saving the under the thousand miles in London filing like 20% new of the York course the same will buying the same cloud of offer having 3 mode. With one vectors are leaning toward pricing and 20 basic point hike in December by try rate picking around 25.1% next year. Official the week ration rate by the 75 basic point for the forecast starting team, leaving trade breakmark to a target rate of 3.75% to 4%. Will Street forecasts it will blow the panic level see during the COVID pandemic or the 2008 crisis. Both volatility is very much up to 20,000 to 2. The S&P 500 has rally see fine monetize movies the year in a close 7%, again the exit or Dorsian. Buying tomorrow of 2008 global financial crisis on the most back to 1913, the day of Grand Depression, the sea more swing of much getting inside your. The week in remaining the trade interest volunteer and much trading express traumas the year is like it to continue said Mark Hackett saving investment rest at nationwide but Ming process are really can and even it but are gain control pockets of weakness are available market what's the latter US inflation reading the Thursday of the crash consumer price index rose more the forecast to at a 40-year high in September even if price began to moderate the CPI it far above the Fed's confirmed June. The US dollar is flying high for much of the what is the target as currencies around the global financial and economic commuter strike as a result but is not just non-US citizen business and government that are feeling the pain. So America business are also feeling hardware on the train revenues from the swinging greenback. What America tourism released the trade cap holiday in the UK and Japan, and importers enjoy capture goods from brown US exporters and business, with international options are experiencing loss at the product and service become too expensive for freight buyers. More component are calling or the strong dollar in train engineer report Carla de Norville Taylor, senior director and head of research of US companies at Fitch Rating told Don. They are competent the actuality reset trade of profit goers not due to currency headwinds trying quarter engine season has begun and discoordination from America business already released the head with fee ends in saying in for multi economics and social crisis around the world and the US Federal Reserve set on continue its interest rate hike, the dollar's rise may only get strong. Some analysts believe the context to some components could be the deaths be of billions, the US dollar in filing hike for much the world the tragedy as currency around the global disaster and economies that come under stride result by use not US consumer business and grossmen are feeling the pain. So America business are so feeling hardware and the finance and the stock back with America tourist research trade kept holidays in UK and Japan, and importers enjoy capital goods from about US exporters and business. The with international option are expand the lost trade product and service. They become expectation for buying buyers. More compressed are killing or the strong dollar. It's trying a report color strong Taylor senior redactor and head of research of compress the fin rate to do the R combination the actuality research the profit was not due to quarter headwind trade quarter against recent has begun gone and discoursing the resource from Amni America business are already reeling trade hands with fee and inking of multiple economic and ethical crisis around the world, and the U.S. Federal Reserve set on continuous interest is hike the dollars. Price may on get strong. Some analysts blow the context to some companies call the being in the up billions. The US dollar has sunk over 19% in 200 to 2 according the Will Strong Journals Dollar Index. The measures the dollar against 16 countries. Last week in Japan, yuan fell to 32-year low. Again, the dollar before the Grand in Tokyo reportedly internet to prop up the currency. The British pound strong also hit history lows last month. Now down 16% year that ETD. Again, the dollar with the euro take over 13% year ETD. The dollar has strengthened in the post year as multiple global crisis and government actual have modern currency activity to international investor. The dollar in the concept safe haven from financial turbulence, the engine crisis Europa and Russia war in Ukraine, as well as ongoing fear or rational has pushed investors to crop up dollars with what's trend to fluctuate less the other currency. The weakness across the world investors are looking for sample set some please the Venice explain Taylor's. The Federal Reserve and aggressive campaign to tame for-year high inflation. The U.S. has also playing its part hiking interest rate post upward process on the dollar as high years on block and other financial product provision investor grade return. The dollar cent has been probably the begin to economists around the global regularly because dollars are the security in the global economies according to the Correlational Research Service. About half of international trade in the investment in dollar and about half of all international loan and global debit currency are dominated in dollar. As the dollar rise, contrasts have occupancy, financial strain, capital flow weaken, grow as imports, and debt financing becoming more expensive for business and government. By one can assume the on-site all American considers and business rare are the beneficial of the strong dollar. American tourists may be enjoying the most affordable vacation in quarter country because train chase in one more broad, but the flip side of the economic demand in foreign currency in less business for some as complete about 13% of US companies again come from outside the country, so many American exporters and companies with an international presence are feeling the price from declining foreign demand. The strong dollar is weakening demand of US products because our products and services are relatively more expensive. The completing dimensional product. The at some time the economy is slowing down global insult tailors. Uh, According to Taylor, some director may by impress holding the order. The dollar has strengthened considerably since May of 2021. The fall the euro with respect to the dollar has weakened by 19%, the blitz fall by 20%, and the Japan the by 24 press there has been a bit smear the strong the dollar against the chorus the of emerging market. The strike of the dollar can be cracked to the relief the estimate the of United States ascend the dollar strength when investment fund flow into the United States because the percent of America ascend requires occurring dollar. The Federal Reserve has been raising interest rate more aggressively. The other advanced economy central banks, including Europa Central Bank, the Bank of England, and the Bank of Japan, marking both denominates on dollar relative activity as compared to both the dominance or the or consent prosperity for growth on the United States will blow by the influence fighting interest rate increased by the Fed are staying breaker the strong in many other central of sample dispersion in gas and oil sample due to war in Ukraine of after European constraint more severity. The United States the dollar in loss considered safe haven currency and will the wine Ukraine there has been a feeling to dollar driving up the US exchange rate the strong dollar feds into inflation process about will continue suggest weekly again the dollar the process imports to from the United States research painting press on a finger the past strong of an 10% dollar approach into inflation about its 1%. The price escalates by it. The direct import of goods from the United States, the price of commodities like oil, watch and match are quoted in dollars, so a strong dollar means high present for trust strike further because food energy expansion make up a longer search burgess economies composition interest in the dollar versus of the commodities significant increase the cost of living. The weekly cross the have probability a country expand and the sales of its import compress company but the R or effect war will the meters try advance the same commodity the export product might also depend in imported inputs from product the availability from a cheaper price of company product from country the person may minted or over receive strong hunger cross of product due to increased home cross price input the are priced in dollar both imported input the from United States and elsewhere more importantly community input the are present dollar for uh, explain weak yen raise cost or product of Sony's PlayStation, the weak currency is more compressed the simple expression linkage. A strong dollar market is more difficult. The service tier debit of trust have borrowed in dollar but war receipts are in a not currency. There is apparent problem for government and confidence is emerging economies because most of trade borrowing is in dollar. It's the year following the global financial crisis in 2008. Emerging economies experienced strong capital inflows, global liquidity was high and interest rates were low in advanced economy marking emerging economies trying press from in-store emerging economy external grow and more the 18% of the debit was dominance in frequent currency most in US dollar. The pandemic brought a sharp reversion in capital flow. Many emerging economies expanded software rating though grants and countries with high level in external debit related to foreign trying extend reserves soured longer skala capital outfield and dynamic currency desperation. A strong dollar has been a quality wrong or problems quality install government sounding recalls small problems and wholenet Joe extends Joe fin the 10% dollar averages land in real GPD. The question about a 1 at 4% relates to trend. The find the advance impress of a strong dollar are lagging or countries the bank the hack rate the have not updated. Okay. Inflation target money fair work and the having high level of dollar debit the negative impress a strong dollar from engine economies are high the currency contact because many of cross contrast interest the public and business sector debate level to do the make the strong dollar rise and relief value or dollar debate high interest rate reset debate serving budget slower globe radical business profit and growth track reset central bank reset to inflation as well currency weakness by raising interest rate about the hike the effect slowing the economies and helps lending to the trend the Federal Reserve out other lock talk more aggressive the static throwing inflation the try the European Central Bank East Bank England East Bank of England of Bank of Japan the relief strong of the US economy has allowed the Fed to continue raising interest to rate to fight inflation, but the try a bigger the trace action target with smile policy take by of three central bank cloud jointly create in UNESCO sub global research central base mandates request the police activity be based on the mix coordination making in diffuse to fail interest the spilling over effect of HC authors action probability line to over target global the monetary trying cycle Kuwait can contest to do contact strongest dollar supply continues increasing Japan have an interest forging extend market target trend currency by selling dollar as can following infrared whole by engine economy fell by more than 6% in the first of 2022 are as result of intercession effort to defeat trying currency again raising dollar the united trial over having time slower definition but not receive the dollar upward call currencies might also weak in conditional the two intervene in order stability contracts markets the historical process of coordinate effect to stop and ascended dollar in 1900 Feb, the US, Japan will German, France, and the UK are going to join inflation in the currency market. It was because now the plaza account the countries pundits use to sell dollars in exchange for water currency in the foreign exchange market and the dollar value the lose see here but only today try war whispered concept the that the dollars value 1985 exceeded the consistent with underity fundamental so it is less clear that a new plaza icon would be has evidently the percent experiment Rajan also for me ship international monetary for economics complete about the import of US monetary policy and strong dollar in the rise of the world. Rajan warriors the debit stress for engagement economists would debt as strong dollar makes US dollar debits more expression according to the institution of international financial EEF governments of emerging economies haven't $83 billion in US dollar. The moment will be that by the end the next year, the World Bank last week warned the global economy was heading toward a recession and a string of financial crisis. The International Monetary Fund (IMF) its business as a result. Sri Lanka has strong billion odd followed by Pakistan. Sabrina joined the links last week since the Russia invasion of Ukraine. The IMF has received 20 questions from 16 member countries since the pandemic in 2020. The operational reader of last resort has doled out 269 dollar billion, the more than 90 member. South Korea has been doing relapse while so because it has the what 9 longer forget extend reset and economists running about the pointing glow read the country is also a net coordinate South Korea outer ASEAN continental in the emerging country where watching the expectation strong greenback thanks to trying risk forex reserve according to Blong. But how much long the can home along in currency? The won has been feeling faster. The outer currency, the won also been weighing down due to going currency account definition to down cycle of chip industry slow down in China economy to dollar has been how around 114 one the count be currency solicit to stability the dollar one extend rate one is to ding into Korea forex price financial altering the can US sum of the dollar receiver of something operation the market based band exclusive on the kind direction the can relate to US dollar index will track the file the grand back again the basket of six major currency if one detection its two-step current path to the expand rate a third option in the reset in this inset rate of one as high rate can pop up or currency value interest rate in US having a call rate the US Federal Reserve has the sweat 10.75 basic point. The Fed pound rate rose to the recess development 3% to 3.25% rate. About Korea basis rate 20.15% the founder market has already bid on US rate at 4.2%, the buyer and 5.5% by March next year to give meaning the Bank of Korea BOK would having to raise in rate continuous rate relate stability the value of the one disability discount some step one the hope to defeat the one's work value under global starring dollar the trend because monetary policy healthy values to help stability process. The trade option of leaving the up to the market under a flexible rate system unlinked in post the Korea does the not suffer dollar during process variance sol base the respected along as dollar support are stability do can to end professor of at Korea Development Institute KDI School of Public the Police and Management WHO used to serve to the municipal board the government things at land for cloud the police for no according to running so of cardoning week 1 which can expect information price and universal financial market but doing you could the best trying the economy maneuvering room for police market could with of popular are not fearful of the dollar at 1,400 one for the traumatic memories of the 1997 at 98 forging cross crisis and 2007 at and 08 global financial crisis share it once BAC for the financial return to endure crisis about doing nothing about the one dip. The try option annual are employing in reasonable mix. Under this haven't been doing so it the past and will like continue will south blessing at only kept watch when the $1 acquisition rate is at contrary bias way to recept the trend the can intercourse at dollar buying actual has did on September Violet and 16 the book monthly board my having to the board has in the next setting meeting October book Groven rail check you give a heads up about in increase of 25 basis point about a bigger life of 15 basic point cannot be ruled out to keep up with giants step by the US and other countries. The Korea won US dollar exchange rate jumped over 1,000 for 14 won per dollar on Thursday last week for first time 13-year and 6 month. You some of the board member call again a hack of 15 basic point that include be more effect in timing inflation of strong dollar. The board has trained more hawkish or inflation to training after it's been processed by government to keep interest rate support grow. About its rate is received by have process track point in October hack of same copy what inference the year at because the currency account call shift to deficient in a quarter because the yuan call weak from stack lockdown in China and related extreme market sleep forget capital regular the Korea won as proxy the China yuan in yuan sec suwol the won in resec report the presto isolation for internal economies one the United States monopolies around the world what call risk history economy slowing the main central book net discuss the currency point with author but in the cool corresponding will add a monetary mover the clown about a crisis. The report said past the training of the uh, US and other Asian economies include deep global economies slowdown and who trading countries like South Korea financial actors most. The risk is monetary policy market stable inflation and extend rate without harming the economies to the book interest outlook for next year grow to slow to 1.1% by money think the estimation is sound the what event winning a country if the economy slow corporate related worsen foreign capital what about the local the market well the failure to steep and forex and politic for to stick currency the US bought currency the print after two central bank after swap experiment in 2008. This is my information. The next information with me. See you. The next team will meet. The next video. See you.